Hi, my name is Jeb Gerald. I'm a certified financial planner and founder of Plentiful Wealth. Today, I'm going to talk about what separates one financial advisor from another. All the time I get the question, what makes you different from someone else? Why should I work with you versus another advisor? And I'm going to break it down into some general information on what you should look at for when you're looking for an advisor. And then 3 things you probably don't know about financial advisors as well. The first thing that you need to know is that the term financial advisor doesn't really mean anything. There's no legal definition. There's no real right to use it. Anyone can call themselves a financial advisor, and they do all the time. You could also look at the term wealth advisor, wealth manager, financial planner. There are a lot of different things out there. Insurance, life insurance agent. They're all similar depending on who's using them. And so there's no legal definition. You also don't have to have a specific amount of education to be a financial advisor. You can take a 2-week exam or study for 2 weeks, pass the exam, and then you're a financial advisor. So you want to make sure that you find someone who has the education to actually to give you advice on what you're asking about. When you're looking at an accountant, for example, they've gone to college, they've gotten a degree in accounting, they've passed the CPA exam, which is tough, and they have experience as well. And so when they give you advice, they know what they're talking about. What I look for and what I recommend people look for is a certified financial planner for much of the same reasons. They have a certain education in financial planning, they've passed a comprehensive exam, and they have 3 years of experience. Personally, I'm a certified financial planner. I think that if you want to be a financial planner in the industry in 2021, you should be a CFP. Past that, I think that should be table stakes. That's a place to start. That's not the end. I also have a master's degree in financial planning because for me it was important to continue my education. The more I know, the more I can help my clients. So always be learning. And then the third thing that you should probably know about financial advisors is that not all advisors have to work in your best interest. And I know that's scary, right? That you think, oh, well, what have they been doing the entire time? And the truth is that the only advisors that have to work in your own best interest are fiduciaries. By law, they have to work in your interest. Some other advisors work under what's called a suitability standard. That just means that it's something, the recommendations that they make, they're suitable for you. Maybe not the best. Maybe they're making that recommendation because they make a higher commission, but suitable for you, right? It's the difference between saying that suit looks good on you and that suit, it fits, right? So just a little different. So when you're looking for an advisor, there are really 3 different things that you need to take into account. The first is, just like I talked about, it's a fiduciary. You want to make sure that no matter what, the person you're working with is working in your best interest. The next is you want to look for a certified financial planner because at the end of the day, you want to know that not only they're working in your best interest, but they know what they're talking about. The third thing is you want to know how you're paying for that advice. So there are a couple different ways to approach this. You can be fee only, like myself. It's very transparent. I charge a percentage of whatever I'm managing. That's it. Sometimes I charge an annual fee and that's it. Those are the only 2 ways I get paid. I don't get paid from a fund company or an insurance company or anybody else. Some people charge commissions. That's just saying, you're going to invest a certain amount of money. They're going to take a little bit off the top. They'll invest the rest. There are different ways to approach that. I don't really care for that way. And so I think that you should probably be looking for a fee-only advisor. But those are 3 of the things that you should be looking for when you're looking at an advisor and the conversations you should be having with any potential advisor you're looking at working with. If you want to know more, you can check out plentifulwealth.com. You can go to Instagram and find me, Jeb Gerald Financial Planner, or you can go to Facebook and just search for Jeb Gerald CFP. And with that, I also have the Plentiful Wealth podcast, which is a great resource if you're looking for bi-weekly information on financial planning for young professionals. With that, thank you for watching today. I appreciate it, and I will see you next month.